Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the fifth look in my Black Zodiac series. I think it's my fifth look. Let me see. Yeah, fifth. Yes, my fifth look. It's going to be War Maiden, so if you like to see what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, some quick little info about the War Maiden. It's from July 23rd through August 22nd, coincides with Leo. The War Maiden is a paradox. You appreciate beauty and anticipate decay. This conflicting nature of yours may be regarded as puzzling and ultimately disturbing by others, thus very few can see the beauty of your ways. Seeing through comforting lies enables you to embrace the hardships of reality. You stand in the thin line between the evil and the benign. Okay, I want to start off with the eyes, and I'm using a palette I haven't used in a hot minute. This is the J-Cat Beauty Santa Monica palette, yes. And I'm going to start off going in with this shade right here, this light brown. And I'm going to start off by running this into my crease. I'm going to do it fairly high up. I want it to be pretty blown out. My concept for this look is that since it's a War Maiden, I'm going to have some burn marks on the side of my face, because in war, people get injured. I'm also going to run this on the lower lash line. I know I just posted a smoky look using this palette, actually, the ColourPop Blow and Smoke palette, and this looks going to be somewhat smoky, but obviously not the same. Now I'm going to take this blue shade from the palette, and taking the same brush, I'm going to run it into my crease as well, just not quite as high. I'm also going to run this shade on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to dip right into the black shade. I don't think this is like a super dark black if I remember correctly, but I am going to just use a super light hand and a little bit and start to run that into my crease. And maybe that's too light. A little more. Start running it into my crease, and then I will build it up as I go. Then for the lower lash line, I am going to switch brushes to something a little more flat, so I don't bring it too far down. Okay, now I'm going to go into this black shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to take a flat brush for that, and I'm going to wet it and hope I don't get a lot of fallout. I'm going to put it on the inner and outer thirds of my lid. So it's not really super shimmery, but oh well. I'm also going to run this on the inner and outer thirds of my lower lash line. Okay, now that that is all done, I'm going to be doing, for the center, I'm going into the J-Cat Beauty Priz Metal Chrome Eye Mousse in the shade Gray Later, which looks like this. I'm going to use a small detail brush like this. It's just not any kind of brand name or whatever. It's something I got off of Amazon ages ago. I'm going to dip into that. and I'm going to start putting it all over the center of my lid. And then also on the lower lash line in the middle. Okay, that's pretty much the eyes done. I'm going to hold off on lashes until later. I'm going to go into the LA Colors bronzer in the shade Beach Babe. I'm going to be foregoing blush today, so I am going to just apply this where I would normally also put my blush. Just taking an angled fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. I don't know why I'm doing it on this side because this is pretty much going to be covered, but just in case any's possibly peeking through, why not? Okay, this is the LA Colors Shape It Up Sculpt and Contour Palette. I'm going to take this contour shade right here, and I'm taking my small contouring brush from Luxie, and I'm going to do a fairly strong contour. Also going to pop this on my jaw pretty heavily. So sorry about the glare. So for highlight, I'm going into the Revolution Vivid Baked highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. Taking my Wet n Wild Unicorn highlighting brush and popping it on my cheeks. Cupid's bow. Tip of the nose. Center. Glare. And the bridge. Hopefully you can see me all right now. Okay, and then now I am going to be using something called the Mayron 3D Gel. This is the first time I'm going to be using this product. I have to heat it up in like warm water in a bowl. But first I'm going to be putting some paint of where I want like the burn marks to be. I'm going to do it on this side of my face and then a little along the neck, not too much because I don't want to go overboard. And plus I don't know how to use this. This is going to be my first time ever. I have like a plastic paint spatula that I'm going to use to like apply it. So I don't know, it's going to be like a process. So we're going to, yeah, first I'm going to be putting some paint on real quick. So I'm going to be going into my CC Beauty Cream Paint Palette after I wipe off the red shade here. Okay, I'm going to be taking the red shade out of this palette, and I'm going to use that to map out where I want the burns to be. I'm just taking this random blending brush that I don't use for my eyes too much, and I'm going to dip into that. Okay, and then I'm going to map out kind of lightly where I want the burns, the irritation. And then I'm going to blend. First I'm going to put all the extra on the center here. If need be, tap into a little more to deepen up. I'm going to just deepen up random areas in the center here. I think it'll peek through. Seems like I might have to work quick with this because it took forever to gelatinize, to gelize, to become a gel. And so I'm going to work fairly quickly with this. Ooh, it's so weird. Okay, might have to bring this closer to here. So now I'm just going to, from tutorials I've watched, you just kind of like pat it and pucker it in certain places to give it that like, ooh, it's so weird. Okay, don't fall, please don't fall. Ah, dang it. Please don't be too hot. No, that's a chunk, oh no. I didn't want a chunk. Go away, chunk. Whew. It is very warm. Just going to spatula this all over myself. I bought this because when I want to do my redo of my Todoroki cosplay, I want to try this for it, for the burn on his face. So why not just practice with this? Look. I mean, I know this has a little squeeze too, but since it's not completely gel throughout it right now, I just didn't want to have it continuously getting in the way of the squeezing part. But yeah, I think I'm going to allow that to dry now. This is what it's looking like. And then once it's dry, I'm going to powder it. And yeah. Okay, so I've been letting it dry for a while, and then I put some powder on it, and it was still kind of wet. So I don't know how long this takes to dry, because it has been a while since I've been sitting here. Like, no joke. I don't know. I'm going to be going into mixtures of the, doing some of the red, some of the brown, some of the mixtures of the two, maybe even a little black, to add details and the little divots and stuff, and I will just speed this process up because I have a feeling it might take a little bit. And I'm just going to use a small little brush for this, and yeah.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Okay, now I think I might mix this white with this peachy shade just a little bit, just to add some highlights.
Evolution.
Okay, and then for lips, I'm going to go into this is an older lipstick. What is this? From BH Cosmetics, their Color Lock lipstick in the shade Dark Rose. This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my lips and then smudge it so it looks messy. And now I'm going to take a darker lipstick and put it in the center. This is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Vamp It Up, their Mega Last lipstick. I'm going to put it on the center here. Like that. And now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on my wig and then see if I want to do anything else, and I'll be right back. Oh, actually, no. I am going to throw on my pair of lashes. I'm going to throw on a pair of the WLEEC lashes in the style F36. And then I will throw on everything else and be right back. So this is what the final look is looking like. Get you kind of closer to this so you can see. Just throw on this wig. Sorry, trying to kind of block some of the glare so that you could actually get a better picture of what I look like. So yeah, I guess this is the end. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already or if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!